In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru BRZ key fob at home. This particular device was used between 2014 and 2018, and it takes one of these CR2032 batteries to run. The first step is to flip it over to the back, hold down the silver button, and remove the internal key. As you can see, my key is missing, but it's the same process. Just hold that down, set your key to the side, and now looking in this area, we have a kind of a keyhole right there. You can see that, and then above it there are these other little openings in the plastic. We're going to go right above the keyhole in a little area parallel to that line, and we're just going to put the head of a flathead screwdriver into that area and twist. And twisting, we will start to pull off the back part of this device, and then you can just twist down through that opening there until you can remove this easily, and you just set that to the side. And now I'm just going to remove this circuit board battery component, and when handling it, I'm going to hold it from the sides. You don't want to touch the circuit board there, so just hold from the sides. And again, using the flathead screwdriver, I'm going to come in from the top and I'm going to put the corner of my flathead screwdriver between the plastic and the battery right in there, and just kind of gently pushing and wiggling. And the battery, you will slide in and the battery will pop out. It doesn't take too much force. Take your time, don't want to break anything. And then we have our CR2032 battery, so go ahead, get rid of the old one, take a new one, and make sure this positive side with the text on it goes face up, and slide it down first and then click in the top. If you try to do it the other way, it won't want to go in, so just do it like that. Now we can look to this back piece of plastic, and you can see there's a little picture of a battery there. We are going to put the battery so that it sits right on top and it will fit in there. And now we can kind of just put these two halves back together, click them together, and then you can check that your light is coming on, your buttons are functioning, and you are all set. That's all it takes. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section, or you can just let me know by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your key fobs from any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.